Good evening. You're watching Left, Right and Centre as the political drama in Delhi continues to unfold. I'm Nidhi Razdan. Tonight, after Mamta, will other allies pull out of the UPA? Are we heading for an early general election? That's our big debate tonight. A question that we're asking on a day when any hope of reconciliation between Mamta Banerjee and the government has virtually faded. Both the Trinamool Congress chief and the UPA today stood firm on their respective positions and in fact argued about missed phone calls and SMSs.
I send my message to Sonia ji also personally. 4 दिन पहले हम मैडम को बताया था कि देखिए मैडम ये डिसीजन तो हम नहीं मान सकते हैं, तो आप देखिए जैसे अलायंस ना आप तोड़े, ठीक है उन्होंने नहीं कर पाया, बट वी रेस्पेक्ट देम, इज ओके. आई हैव माय पर्सनल रिलेशन विल कंटिन्यू, नो प्रॉब्लम.
4 days ago, the Prime Minister tried to speak to the Chief Minister of West Bengal, left a message to call back. Then Shri Mukul Roy was spoken to and he was requested to pass on the message to the Chief Minister. He said he would. We haven't heard back.
I will request the Congress leaders not to distort the facts.
All lines in the route between Kolkata and New Delhi have been engaged. That's the message the Congress core group wanted to send after the Prime Minister as well as the Congress President Sonia Gandhi tried to speak to the Trinamool chief Mamta Banerjee for the last 4 days.
Kolkata, Mamta Banerjee categorically denied that she had heard either directly or indirectly from either the Prime Minister or Sonia Gandhi before she announced her withdrawal. With allegations like this flying around, is there any room for backroom negotiations? Unlikely, though some eyebrows were raised when this morning 2 senior Trinamool MPs flew to Delhi on a surprise trip. But meanwhile, on gas, fuel and FDI, Mamta Banerjee is adamant on a rollback.
Which reforms must reach to the people, the common people. Reforms comes from the grassroots. It cannot come from the sky. And reforms is not for few individuals. It is for the country. It is for the people of this country.
जब ये निर्णय जो सरकार ने लिया था, कठिन निर्णय था, हम लोगों को परेशानी देता है, लेकिन जरूरी है.
As a courtesy, the government will reach out to Trinamool ministers when they come in to hand over their resignations to the Prime Minister on Friday. To show that the Congress too is concerned about Aam Aadmi, the party has instructed Congress rule states to increase the cap on subsidized LPG cylinders from 6 to 9. But on the key issue of allowing foreign direct investment in multi-brand retail, sources say there's no question of going back.
But since Ganaraya has arrived, you see, he will see everything and solve all the problems.
So what can we expect to happen next? Is there any hope for compromise between now and Friday when Mamta Banerjee's ministers will resign? Well, just a little while earlier, I spoke to Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh. Well, joining us on NDTV tonight is Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh, as it appears today that positions from both the Trinamool side as well as the government side seem to have hardened, even though a window of opportunity appeared to be there last night. Mr. Singh, is that what's happened today? Is there really any room for negotiation left with Mamta Banerjee?
Well, there's always a room till she writes a letter of withdrawal of support to the Honorable President.
So are there any back channel talks currently with her? Is the Congress reaching out to her, talking to her?
Well, I think all efforts have been made, and we hope that she would see reason in whatever decisions we have taken.
But you know that clearly from her statements, she's not budging from her position at all. In fact, she held another press conference today where she strongly attacked the UPA and the Congress party. She's very clear on her 3 demands on a diesel partial rollback, hike in the LPG limit, rolling back the FDI decision. What does the Congress party think? We've heard from the government about no rollback, but does the Congress party believe that there should be a rethink on some of these decisions?
First of all, let me clear. All these issues have been discussed in depth and detail in UPA Coordination Committee meetings. Now, as far as the FDI in multi-brand retail and FDI aviation is concerned, I think there is more or less a consensus on that. The contentious issue is that of 5 rupees a hike in diesel and restricting the cooking gas cylinders to 6. I think I must put in the record that Government of India recovers about 83,000 crores from taxes on petroleum product and gives a subsidy of more than 1,20,000 crores. Now, state governments all over the country collect more than 1,13,000 crores in taxes, but do not give a single penny of subsidy on petroleum products. Shouldn't they also share the burden along with Government of India? The devolution of central taxes has increased by thousands of crores in the last 8 years of UPA regime. Earlier, the devolution of taxes was only 28%. We raised it to about 33%. I recollect during my tenure as the Chief Minister, we were always under overdraft. Now, except for 3 states of Punjab, West Bengal and Kerala, all states are surplus in their budget. So, therefore, I think the state government should also take a decision. Honorable Congress President has very rightly directed all the Congress Chief Ministers.
So you're saying Mamata Banerjee can do the same
to
thing?
At least 3 cylinders.
So you're saying Mamata can do the same
she
thing?
Should do it. She should do it immediately. She should subsidize the gas cylinders as we have done in Congress party ruled states and give some subsidy on diesel and petrol and kerosene.
But she says West Bengal's financial situation is much more precarious than that of other states. That's her argument.
Well, I think this is something which the state governments have to handle. After all, every state government has to manage its resources.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.